This rechargeable light-up collar has fun color change LEDs and measures 20 inches all around. Before purchasing, please measure the circumference around your dog's neck. This blinky light tube can be made shorter for small dogs, plus for medium to large-sized dogs, it might be suitable to simply slide your LED collar right over their ears. If that is not ideal for your pet, then check out this handy hidden clasp. Remove the tight-fitting white cap marked with an arrow underneath. The other cap should stay in place. That's where the inner string light is connected. Next, look for the small sticker marked with a scissors image. This shows you where to cut when the lights are powered off. Before you cut, double-check around your pet's neck. Measure accurately and carefully, for it is better to leave too much tube than not enough tube. After you have DIY customized the length of your pet collar for optimum comfort, reconnect the tube to the battery house and tighten that cap for a more permanent clasp. Give your light collar a full charge before its first use, and you'll be ready to walk and roll.